Okay, sorry about that. I think the stream was dropped again. So yeah, we were looking at the dog. I don't know where I left off. Sorry about that. This is gonna be horrible. I have to figure out how to get this to work. But yeah, sorry about that. And yeah, so I was doing this. I don't know whether you were watching this when we are doing like, so we try to generate a random number. So we have to use rank because we're using all this cool stuff from rand. This is another crate that is a dependency we have to add to the Tomo. So yeah, you can lock the version. So every time you build, and then cargo.log will lock the version unless you specifically say that you want to update it. If you want to bump the minor version, you have to bump it like, you know, manually here in this file. Otherwise, it won't get updated in the log, even if you run update. So after that, then we're trying to use it. You know, this needs to be in scope. It doesn't explain how yet. We'll learn about it in the future. And yeah. Sorry, I'm just gonna check my live stream again. It's very frustrating. Yeah, okay. It says that I'm live. Okay, cool. Yeah. Sorry about the frustration. Now you're frustrating with me. Thank you. So yeah, so rank is yeah, so you needed that, and then this is generating a new random number generator in your thread. To kind of involving some kind of very low level processing thing, and you can call a gen range to generate the number, and then you give the start dot equals to end. So this is how you specify a range. But everything is in documentation. If you are not sure, you can do this very cool thing, which is cargo doc dash open. It will build the documentation. I guess if you close and run it again, it won't build again. So yeah, this is something else. Okay, so yeah, and this is local, so it's kind of generated in this folder somewhere here. Documentation, yeah, it's here. So it's generated on the go, so you can use it on the plane if you want. And then yeah, you can just click on whatever, then you can see how it works. It will tell you how it works. Our stuff doesn't have documentation, but a good, yeah, if you have written some documentation, it should be shown here. So let's move on. So now, since we generate a number, then yeah, the secret number is, so we print out the secret number. Why print out the secret number? Anyway, we can now first print out the secret number. So we will see the secret number that got generated is different every time. So let's do cargo run. We guess, so the secret number is 9. We guess whatever, it doesn't do anything yet, so you can put in whatever that you want. Yeah, so this is using, so we are learning how to create a new like dependency, for example this like rank library, and then with this rank library we can generate a random number. Great job. So if I guess the number, oh, it's so cute. What is this? Okay, now we are really playing the game. So in main, so and then you guessed, so this is adding more. So we'll do this here. So after you print the guess, you would use the match. Match, I guess, is kind of like match in Python, like, you know, in newer version of Python we have match, but it's kind of like if else maybe. So this is all inside the bracket. So this is okay. So let's see what it is. Oh, we need to use another use statement, so we have to use ordering. So this new thing that we use, we need to add them. And yeah, I guess this needs to be sorted, but we can use the formatter later to sort it maybe. Yeah, okay. So now we can use ordering. Yay. Okay. Ordering is an enum, so it will give you less grade less, greater, and equal. So we will compare the secret number. So cmp guess.compare. So I guess has a compare method. So compares to value compared. Take a rest one wherever you want to compare with. So we put in the secret number. But this time it's not mu, it's just an secret number. I guess we are not changing it, but we want to use the same number instead of copying the number, because there's no point of copying. Return a value of order. So we'll get one of the enum, ordering enum. So the compare will return one of these. Let's go with the use statement, use a match expression to decide what to do next based on which variance of ordering has returned from the compare, from the com to the, I guess, the secret number. We have arms, so there are different arms in match. Each arm consists of a pattern to match against. Okay. Each arm's pattern to match. So I'm matching this, which doesn't have much because this thing will end up having an ordering. So there are three types of ordering: less, greater, or equal. So you would get one of these. So it's matching one of these. Yeah. So compare. Yeah. So you go in one of these. So you just print out different ones. Okay, it's quite straightforward actually if you think about that. I think the only tricky bit is like, oh, why this is like this, and yeah. Okay. The line is, so what's the other thing? So now if we run it, there will be something wrong. Okay, let's see what's wrong. Okay, let's see what's wrong. Oops. So n string found an integer. Oh, so we are comparing a string to an integer because guess, remember, it's a string and the secret number is I think this is giving us an integer. So not working. So how to fix it? So to fix it, yeah, so the random number generator is number type can have a value between 1 and 100. Few of Rust number type can have a value between 1 and 100. Okay, so I32, I guess you can't be smaller than I32 or U32. So is it's an integer or an unsigned integer, 32-bit number. I64 is a 64-bit. Yeah. So the default is I32. So the secret number is I32, unless you specified it. We need to convert the string, of course, into an integer, real number type. Okay, so we need to do this. So guess now is this is mutable guess. So we define a new guess. Yeah, so we defined the guess, which is the string before, is mutable because we attached the user input in there, and then we define another guess, and then now this time we would hopefully convert the type. So input your guess. Oh no, sorry, put it in the wrong place because we have to take the guess first, right? So wait, let's see. Yeah, we take in the guess and then we change the guess into something else. Oops. Right. So if it doesn't convert, then the error handling is please type a number. I think we just crashed the program. We'll try. So there's a lot has been done. Trim it and parse it, and then hopefully become a U32. Then can assign to guess. So yeah. Huh. Okay. Guess in expression trim method. String is now any white space at the beginning and the end. So trim will trim out the white space, and then yeah. Must press enter to satisfy the read line and input the guess. Because there's the new line character at the end of the string because the user pressed enter. Yeah, so that's why we need to trim bit, and parse will convert it to another type. Her number, did it tell us exactly number type that we want to use? Yep, this is kind of like typing in Python, so nothing new. Let's tell us how to say to annotate a variable's type. So yeah, number type, we'll learn more about number type later. Secret number. If it's an emoji, there's no way to convert it into a number. Well, there are number emojis, but I think we are not passing those as well. It will fail, and then it will handle the failure. Error. Okay, let's. You know what? I want to try the failing thing first. So let's do this. And oops. Oh yeah, it's just building. Let's run it. Okay, if I put in some random string, that it will say please type a number, and then it will panic. It will say like, yeah, error, but yeah, it will panic. Wah! Okay, which is a good thing. Okay, so let's do 14. Yeah, too small. Okay, good, it's working. good. Even like the panic is working, which is a good thing. Oh, we can use spaces as well. Okay, let's do crazy things. 6. Yeah, I guess 6, which is fine. Okay. Yeah. Oh, now you can guess it again, multiple guesses. Now you can use loop. So you loop, and then you can input your guess multiple times. So let's try that. Input your guess. Okay, so here. Yeah, we're printing out the secret number. I think is for us to debug easier, but for a real game you won't want to print it probably. So yeah, we'll put all of these in a loop. So then this one should be like this. This one is a bit crazy here. Okay, so let's do this. Yeah, okay, this one should work. So we're looping it, but this is dangerous because we have no way out of the loop, so I'm not running it yet. Yeah, it creates an infinite loop. We have to find a way out. Yeah. Oh, so you can type quit to break it because it will panic. Yeah, so let's try to be crazy. Let's run it, and it will build and run, and then like 10. You win, but it doesn't stop, so type something crazy and it will panic and quit. Right, so how do we quit correctly? Equal, you win, and then break, and it will break free. You break free. Yeah, so what we have to do is to make this into a multiple line thing, and then this one should be like that, and then now it's break, and then semicolon, and this one need a comma probably, I think. So this one is that one, right? So we're missing one probably. Right, so this one is that one. I hate this. Okay, so this one should probably go back one, and then here, and then better indentation for the win. Okay. Oh, you don't need a comma at the end. Okay, fine. Right. Okay. So if you win, then you can end the program. Okay, let's try that first. Let's try this first. Okay, so if I get something else, it never stopped. But if I press the right number, which is 96, then you win and it stopped. Good. So handling invalid input. So failed to read a line, and I guess. So now, so we can do this. So let okay. So it will, because this thing will again like give the okay or error, right? Oh, we will use a match. Yes, we combine what we learned, because remember this thing, right? This thing will give you a error. So it will give you the result enum, right? Error okay. So now we can use a match, and in here we can, because a match we do this, right? And then probably we will take this away, and then now if it is matching a, why this is so, yeah, so if matching a okay, so what we do is to oh, okay, num, it will give you a num. So we'll probably, I don't know what it is, but we would see the explanation in a bit. So an error, and then continue. Okay, nothing, then it will give a continue here, and then comma. So it's a comma because it's in the match thing, right? Am I right? Okay, so this one, remember the semicolon. Oh, this is gonna kill me a lot. Like I can see I'm like having a lot of error because I forgot the semicolon. Oh god. Okay, so what is going on here? Yes, so we're matching the okay value contains a resultant number. Okay, so within okay there's also a resultant number. Very interesting. Match the first arm of the pattern, just return the value. So this thing at the end after the match will just become the number, which is from the okay, and then this number will become our guess number. But otherwise it's error, and it continues as continue, and then it will continue looping, I guess. Does not return the string the number. This will not match the pattern, but it will match the error something. Yeah. So an underscore is a catch-all, so it doesn't matter. So it has something, but we don't care about this something. That's why it's an underscore. Yeah, and it will continue. So it will continue the next loop. So yeah, let's try it. Then we'll see what's going on. Okay. Oh, you see, I did something wrong. Ignore each field. Oh, huh. Parse. Oh, forgot the underscore. Of course, yes, I forgot the underscore. Right. Okay. Oh, it needs to be lowercase. I love making mistakes. How awesome. Okay, now it works. So if we guess a number is too small, so it works normally with the spaces, it's fine. If I type something crazy, it just ignore it and then ask again. And if we win, we can exit the program. So yeah, okay, yeah. So now what's the next thing? Awesome. What's the last final tweak? It's still printing the secret number. Oh yeah, delete the secret number. Oh no, I don't want to, because then like I can't end the game. I can't end the game unless I guess it correctly. No, I don't want to. Okay, I get the idea, but I don't want to, because like then I can't guess it correctly and I can't end the program. This is scaring me. Yeah, no. I guess I can control Q or something, but no. It has been a good chapter. Thank you so much. And do I want to move forward and stuff? Because there's so much hiccup in the stream. It's not fun. I think I've been doing it for more than an hour, but you know, I didn't stay on for long because of this stupid internet issue. Sorry about that. Shall we do another one? This looks big. Chapter 3 looks big. You know what? I'm gonna take a break. I'm gonna go out, and I may come back later today if I have time. Hopefully the internet is not as bad. I'm so sorry. Like, you know, always something wrong with the live stream. But thanks for those of you who have been here. And yeah, I need a break. And hopefully see you later, and hopefully it's get better. So, see you.